Hello everybody, I'm gonna work on the shower over here and the tub area. This is gonna go away. We're gonna cut some of the wall. We're gonna reroute this plumbing in the wall over there and put shark bite caps. The shower gets extended. Before it was up to here, it's gonna get extended more. It's gonna have a bench over here, shower seat. And for today, I'm gonna demo the flooring, all this flooring. It comes out very hard. It's a cement, and it has Duroc glued to it, and then the tiles. Yeah, and same thing over here. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll show you when it's done. I'll have pictures, I'll have video, and this is the project we're working on, this master bathroom. Nothing gets done over here except the mirror. The mirror's gonna get changed. This and this mirror here, because see, it has this here. So we're gonna get new mirrors, one of the last project, but this is gonna have a bigger cubby, shampoo cubby. Okay, please put a like, subscribe, and share the video. And if you look more on my videos, you'll see how I get the projects done. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it.